Question number 5. Given sec theta is equal to 13 by 12, find all other trigonometric ratios. So sec theta is given as 13 by 12. We have to find the other trigonometric ratios. Sec theta is 13 by 12. What does that mean? Sec theta is equal to 13 by 12. That means theta is an acute angle in a right angle triangle. Okay, an acute angle in a right angle triangle. Then the ratio of hypotenuse by base, this is sec theta. Base or adjacent, this is also, or base or also known as adjacent, they are equal. Okay, we will take base. So it is hypotenuse by base, that is sec theta, right? And this side is perpendicular or opposite. Okay, so sec theta is given 13 by 12. So let base is equal to, this is equal to hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse by base is 13 by 12. So we can take base is 12k, where k is any positive number. I told you the logic of multiplying by k in the previous problem. I told you why we take, or why we multiply the number by k, because this is a ratio. Okay, sec theta is h by b, that is a ratio that gives us 13 by 12. So the actual length can be obtained by multiplying both the sides by the same positive number. Okay, we assume that to be k, which is a positive number. Then hypotenuse will be 13k. This is hypotenuse, this is base. If this is 12k, then hypotenuse will be 13k. Hence, by Pythagoras theorem, we have hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Right? Hypotenuse square, this hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square, or adjacent square plus opposite square. That is Pythagoras theorem. Hence, hypotenuse square is, what is base square? We get 12k. We take square. What is perpendicular square? We don't know. So let us take it as perpendicular square. Sorry, what is hypotenuse square? It is 13k, right? So this is 13k square, which implies 169k square is equal to 144k square plus perpendicular square, right? So what do we get? Perpendicular square is equal to 169k square minus 144k square. Okay, so let us take it to this side. Hence 169k square minus 144k square, which is equal to how much? 25k square. Let's continue it here. So we don't need the diagram here. So perpendicular is equal to square is equal to 25k square. So perpendicular is root over 25k square. Root over 25k square, which is equal to plus minus 5k, right? So perpendicular is either plus 5k or minus 5k, but we reject the negative value. Why? Because perpendicular, it is a length and it cannot be negative. The length cannot be negative. That is why we reject the negative value. Since cannot be negative, hence perpendicular is equal to plus 5k or 5k. Hence now we have base 12k, hypotenuse 13k, and also perpendicular 5k. So we have all three sides of the right angle triangle. So now it is easy to find all the trigonometric ratios. Hence the metric ratios are, we start with sin theta. What is sin theta? It is perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? 5k. What is hypotenuse? 13k. So it is 5k by 13k. K cancels out. We get 5 by 13. Similarly, we can find out cos theta is base by hypotenuse. What is base? 12k. What is hypotenuse? 13k. So cos theta is 12k by 13k. We get 12 by 13 and so on. Okay. So in this way we can find out all the ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosec theta, all the ratios one by one, because now we have perpendicular, the base or hypotenuse and hypotenuse, or hypotenuse, adjacent and opposite, all three sides of the right angle triangle. Okay, now it is easy to find the trigonometric ratios like this. Okay.